a must-have. Okay, right now, go to Fragrance X, Fragrance Next, wherever you have to go. Pick this up. This is Hello, ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you from the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, guys, we are going to be talking about my faves on my May tray. So I have 5 favorite fragrances that were on my May tray that I wore the most, and I wanted to talk about it. So just keep watching. Guys, if you have not subscribed, come on and join the family. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me what you're wearing today or tonight. Tell me what you are wearing in the comment section. I would love to hear your fragrance of the day, so I can even test out some more fragrances. No, I would love to hear your fragrance of the day. So just comment down below and let me know. But join the family. We are sister, brother, auntie, cousins, mama. We're family around here. So come on and join the family. Guys, in today's video, we are going to be going over my May tray. So if you did not get to catch my May tray, go back a couple videos and watch what I had on my May tray. So those that are new, my May tray, or the trays that I am talking about, is the fragrances that I pick for the month. So for the month of May, I choose different fragrances that I want to utilize during that month, and I try to stick with those fragrances on the tray. I really do a good job. I really overall do a good job, and the reason why I do that is just because I have such a larger collection. And so this allows me to just test out some of my fragrances that I might not have used during the year or a couple of months. So it just allows me to give all my fragrances some love so that I can continue to just test and see what I like, what I don't like, if I still like it. So if you are interested, I would highly suggest, if you even have a smaller fragrance collection and you're growing, I would suggest doing a tray. That way you can just explore different fragrances that you have in your collection. So I am giving you my top 5. So let's get into it. So first, you all saw this. It was Nina Ricci Bella. So can we just, again, I said this on the video, can we just appreciate this packaging? I think this is absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful apple. It just is stunning. Now, I will say, this got me for the packaging. And as I mentioned in the last video, I thought that this was going to be more of a sour apple, which it is not. It does. Let me give you some of the top notes. So top notes are rhubarb, green mandarin, lemon. Middle notes, you have freesia, you have rose. Base notes, vanilla, white musk. If you see that face, my name is Amber and I'm addicted to vanilla. Okay. This fragrance, sis, bruh, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you like a lemon and like a citrus lemon, but gives you a little green fragrance, I would test this. Now, this I would wear. Where would I wear this? This I would wear to like church, or I wouldn't wear this to a bougie brunch, but I would wear this to a church, maybe a small event, maybe even a wedding, yeah, I would wear it to something like that. Now, this is not going to be everybody's jam. I'm not even going to lie to you all. This is not going to be everybody's jam. But if you don't mind a little fruity, green, rhubarb, lemon, citrus, like if you don't mind those notes in a fragrance, I would try it. This is going to run you about $40, maybe even less. This is not going to break the bank. So even if you don't like it, maybe you want to resell it or re-gift it to someone that you think would like it. This, I enjoyed. You might not be able to tell that I enjoyed, but I did enjoy it. Moving on. So, I said in my May Trade video that I will be testing out Ariana Grande and the new Beija Sol de Janeiro cream. Get it. I know some of you all probably have Ariana Grande 2.0. I smelled it in stores again recently. It's going to be on my list. It might be in my birthday month experience or my birthday month video. My birthday's coming up. Gemini on deck. Okay. Focus. So Ariana Grande, either the 2.0 or this one, pair it together. This was a joy to wear. I wore this taking my daughter to the last days of school. I enjoyed this on going on a picnic with my friends. We had a little picnic, get together. I enjoyed that then. Like, this was a great casual combination. Like, I love this. So try it and see if you like it. Let me know. All right, next up we have Captivatingly Paris. Now, this one, I would say, shocked the mess out of me. If I could say something else, I would, but it really shocked the mess out of me. I wore this to, I went to the mall. Well, I went to church first, then I went to the mall. So this was another Sunday fragrance that I wore. If you don't know, I work from home. So there's sometimes during the week that I don't get to wear my fragrances that often. So when I do go outside, or if I'm, having a girls' time or girls' day, or if I'm with my daughter or something, then I'll be able to test my fragrance. But most of the time, Sunday is where I test my fragrances. But this was good, and it shocked the mess out of me because sillage, I don't know if I oversprayed on the overspray. This is a Zara collection fragrance. Ma'am, sir, bruh, sis, this was prominent in sillage. Kid you not. I was able to smell myself for a good 5 hours. No lie. Like, this did me well. And I don't know if it's because of the body butter. I don't remember what body butter I paired it with. But this was the truth. Let me give you some of the notes. So this is top notes pear, middle notes rose, base notes musk. So this is your pear, musk, rose fragrance. I would try this. If you like a rose fragrance, you know I do like a rose fragrance, I would try it. Now this, again, is not going to be everybody's jam. This might be more of a good blind buy, everybody's jam. This might not be everybody's jam, okay? It's not this overtaking, earth-shattering fragrance. It's not. But I smelled so good. Actually, I thought it had jasmine in it. Now, Fragrantica might not give you all the notes. I don't know what that is, but they might be gatekeeping. I don't know what that is. But honey, this did me well. So, Captivatingly Paris Zara fragrance, I would pick that up. Okay. A must have. Okay. Right now, go to Fragrance X, Fragrance Next, wherever you have to go. Pick this up. This is Girl Up Now, Elie Saab Shine. If you like a pineapple, if you like an almond smell, pick this up. Let me read you the notes. Hold that thought. So top notes, pineapple. We have pistachio. We have pear. We have mandarin orange. Middle, we have bitter almond, orange blossom, jasmine, ylang ylang. Base notes, we have vanilla, patchouli, iris. Now, you know why I gave you that look. Hi, my name is Amber, and I'm addicted to vanilla. Okay, great. Pick this up. Please pick this up. I said it before. Once I am done with this, I am getting a bigger bottle. Actually, I'm not going to put it on a tester strip. I'm just going to put it on my skin. This is amazing. Read my lips. You see my eye. Amazing. A must. If you like an almond mixed with a little fruity, a pineapple, a juicy pineapple at that. Not this doll, been sitting there forever in a month. This juicy pineapple, almond, sweet fragrance. You need this for spring, summer. So if you don't get anything on this list for my fave 5, if you get one thing, get this. This is gonna help your life. Help your life, sis, bro. So good. Understatement. I love it. I love it. I love it. Get it. And it's not gonna break your bank, sis. This is gonna run you about maybe $60. Like, please get this. Thank you. And my last fragrance that I enjoyed for the month of May. And surprisingly, what I paired it with was this Cabana cream. Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro was on rotation for your sis for May. Okay? Get you all the colors. Okay? I got all the colors. I already told you my body butter cream. We already talked about this. No judgment. We already talked about this. But get you the Coco Cabana cream. Get you this. I paired it with Joe Malone, Mimosa, and Cardamom. Now, you all know, we've talked about this before. I cannot bring myself to purchasing a big bottle of Joe Malone just because of the lasting power of it. So I just can't get to that $145 range for something that's not going to last long. I might take that back for this. Okay? This, I don't know if it's just because I was in the house, sis, bruh, mama, auntie. I don't know if it's because, it might have been because I was in the house working. This lasted me a good old 7-8 hours. Like a whole shift. This lasts me. I kept smelling myself. I enjoyed this scent. It's very sparkling. Mimosa, it's very brunch and bougie. Brunch and bougie, that's what this is. This t-shirt is for this fragrance. Let me give you some of the notes for this fragrance. Top notes, cardamom. Middle notes, mimosa. Base notes, tonka bean. Again, sparkling. Sparkling. I would say warm citrus. If I get any citrus, I get more sparkling. I might get a faint citrus, but it's very warm. This is everything. This, beyond everything. Please get this. Now, this is going to cost you about $78. Sorry, it's Joe Malone. Like, are we really talking about this right now? It's Joe Malone. You gonna pay out some money, okay, for Joe Malone, but it is so good. I would go and X my words out for purchasing a big bottle for Mimosa and Cardamom. Get you this. This is so pretty. And this is so unique. Not everybody's gonna smell like you, sis, bro. Like, you gonna stand out. So that's all, guys. Those are my Fab Fives for the month of May. Check them out. If you all are interested, I will place them in the description. If you are interested, I would say go and test it out at the stores or blind buy. Now, again, I would not blind buy these. But again, this is a $30 cheapy, $40 bottle. So whatever your jam is, I'm just supplying you the information. But thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please, again, subscribe, comment, give me the thumbs up. I am so glad you even decided to stop back on my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Bye, guys.